Hello friends, SpaceX recently flew the SN8 serial number 8 prototype to mark its highest altitude test flight from the Boca Chica, South Texas launch site on Wednesday. The next generation Starship rocket successfully ascended into the skies. However, it failed to stick the landing and crashed into the ground. Propelled by three of the company's latest Raptor engines, the test vehicle was able to reach an altitude of 8 miles before an unsuccessful landing. And while the prototype was able to reach its target altitude, it is revealed that two of the vehicle's Raptor engines were shut down during the landing. Despite the explosion, the SN8 test flight was a successful moment for the private aerospace company as the vehicle was able to attain its target height during the ascension. Now it is quite that the Elon Musk-owned company will look for a similar attempt while its prototype built called SN9 serial number 9. The SN9 has been in development and it is said to have a similar size body type to the other prototype vehicles we have today. The SN9 prototype vehicle is ready to go for test flights and it is quite likely that the company may hold a similar flight test for the vehicle in the next weeks. However, SpaceX is yet to make an official announcement on when we can see the SN9 test flight. The company is also building the SN10 along with SN9. Both prototypes will serve as successor to the SN8. The SpaceX Starship system is a fully reusable and it is being designed by SpaceX to launch on the top of the Super Heavy reusable booster. The company plans to use these launch vehicles for carrying humans to Moon, Mars and various other destinations. It also hopes to use these vehicles to build its Starlink constellation in the low Earth orbit. Thank you.